Coco, what are you doing? Coco, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, girl? Are you playing with an ornament? What are you doing, girl? What are you doing, girl? It is Christmas Eve and Coco is under the tree. Presents right there because we are going to, well, I am going to my family's today. And Coco does not know what to think. Hopefully my tree stays standing up. I think I know why she has not been messing with my tree today. As you can tell, now she is under the tree. Exploring. Hey, don't you do it. I'm watching you. And that little tree ornament is her favorite ornament to play with, as you can tell. Coco, what do you think? Huh? What do you think, girl? I don't think she knows what to think. Hey! Leave him alone. There's still 2 presents under the tree. I let my son open his car ornament, and you can tell it's up there by the angel. It's the car ornament. Let him go ahead and open the car ornament, and then he has one more to open tonight. She loves that ornament. She likes it. I love that ornament. I think my tree will be standing by the time I come home. And I think I know why she has not been trying to climb it is because I had that big box over there of Christmas presents. Those presents under my tree. So, I think I know. She's like, mine. She just really loves that. I think she likes how it dangles. Merry Christmas Eve, everybody. Me and Coco. Coco will be here, but I'm not.